5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Start. Accused appellant is involved in case crime number 50 of 2019 and has applied for bail stop. Learned counsel for the appellant submits that applicant has been falsely implicated in the present case on account of enmity for the purpose of harassment stop. Applicant committed no offence stop. A false and fabricated story has been set up by the police stop. He further submits that in all the cases shown in gang chart against the accused appellant, he has been released on bail stop. Applicant is in jail since 28/2019 stop. It is further submitted that there is no possibility of the applicant fleeing away from the judicial procedure or tampering with the witnesses stop. In case the applicant is enlarged on bail, he shall not misuse the liberty of bail stop. Learned AGA has opposed the prayer for bail but did not dispute the factual submissions made by the learned counsel for the appellant and submitted that applicant is a member of gang as shown in gang chart stop. Considering the facts and circumstances of the case, rival contention of learned counsel for the parties, detention of applicant in jail, severity of punishment in jail, case of conviction, number of cases shown in gang chart, and without commenting upon the merit of the case, applicant deserves bail stop. Let applicant Javed be released on bail in the aforesaid case on his furnishing a personal bond and 2 reliable sureties and filing an undertaking to the satisfaction of the court concerned subject to the conditions that the applicant shall not tamper with the evidence or threaten the witnesses stop. The applicant shall cooperate with the trial and shall not seek any adjournment on the dates fixed for charge statement under section 313 CRPC and argument stop. During trial, applicant shall not indulge in any criminal activities or case stop. In breach of any condition enumerated above, trial court shall be at liberty to treat it as abuse of liberty of bail and pass appropriate orders in accordance with law stop. The applicant has invoked the inherent jurisdiction of this court stop. The trial is proceeding at snail's pace until date the opponent party has not allowed the evidence of the doctors to be completed and the cross-examination is going on by the opposite party since last 7 months so as to elongate the proceedings stop. The witnesses have also not been cross-examined the proceedings stop. The witnesses have also not been cross-examined and in this way the trial is being obstructed stop. There is specific direction of this court that the trial may be concluded speedily, avoiding undue delay stop over.